Welcome back to Coffin Girl Knows. Okay, so I ordered this from Australia, from Sharon, from Flexifinger. I don't even know. I can't talk today. This is the most amazing thing I think I've owned out of all of my nail tech time frame. And I'm so excited to review it on my channel. Like, this is absolutely fantastic. I can't even describe how wonderful this is. I'm actually doing a voiceover, so I have actually had time to play with it over the next, God, who knows how long. You'll definitely see me use it. You'll see the wear and tear on it. You'll see, how it functions, how real it looks in videos. I mean, it's absolutely phenomenal. I did get this ordered. It took about 2 weeks to come in. Now for me, for some reason, the shipping, the tracking was a little janky. She sent me my tracking information, but for whatever reason, and I think it's because it was the holidays, it was like near Black Friday. I believe that affected how the updating of the tracking went, but I did get it within the time frame that she said. And it came from Australia all the way to America. It took basically exactly 2 weeks. I ordered it on one day and I got it about 2 weeks later. It is absolutely nice, very well packaged. And it has a little swivelly thing, as you can see. It's like a little ball. The base is a suction cup. Now, one thing I can update is that it would not suction properly to my desk. If you look at my desktop, it does have a little bit of a, a texture to it. So it would not suction and stay suctioned to my desk. So right now, I need to get over to a supply store and get a tile. I'm gonna get just a glossy tile, individual tile, and that way it will have a base to stick to. Right now I'm using my little glitter separator. I don't even know what that thing's called. It's like a bead tray. The lid is real smooth, so I'm actually suctioning it to that, which is kind of nice. It raises it up a little bit and works great. But look at those fingers and look at everything. It's such a great quality. And it has like that little protective cover on the base. Now, you'll want to wet the bottom of it to get it to stick well, because it will kind of need a little bit of dampness to get a good suction. And then it's absolutely amazing. I mean, it's really cool. So when I did this video, I definitely just did it straight through from opening to playing with, because I want you to see how awkward, it is when you first get a device and you're trying to figure out how to use it and everything. So I do end up showing the texture of the desk. I do show you, all of my little challenges playing with it. But it's absolutely amazing. I mean, it looks so much better than that stupid little practice thing that we get when we go to school. The digits they're so realistic. Like, whenever you look at them in some of the videos, they just look so real. It's fantastic. Like, I absolutely love it. Now, Sharon was nice enough to give me a 10% discount for everybody that shops from my spot. So my 10% discount code for you guys is Coffin Girl. There will be a link in the description that has the code, and it also has a direct link to her shop, but it also has a direct link to this hand in particular. Coming from Australia to the US, it does actually come out to be less than, what it states on her website, because her website is in Australian money versus US money. So it was even a better surprise at the end of my shopping experience because boom, I saved some money. So use that discount code and get 10% off. And Sharon, thank you so much for letting me review this and letting me see it. And, I hope you guys enjoy this. Please like and subscribe and comment in the comments below. Thank you so much and love you guys. See y'all later. Bye.